Hi, thanks for visiting our website today. I'd like to introduce you to the Caribbean's most advanced SMS platform for business, SMS Connect. SMS Connect allows businesses to connect with customers anywhere, anytime to improve sales or customer service. And today we'll be giving you a quick demonstration of how you can use this tool in your business to advance your business performance. The first thing to note about SMS Connect is that SMS Connect is a cloud-based SMS application that allows business to access the application from anywhere and on any device. So we're going to give you a quick run through of how you can use the application, starting by the dashboard. On the dashboard, this is the first place that you'll see when you log into the platform, which of course displays your current message balance, your existing message usage in terms of messages being sent and also received, and outlines recent purchases made on the account. Also, you have pie charts here that show where your messages are going, whether it's to Lime or Tissel. And of course, this is for Jamaica. These are two major networks here. And also, this pie chart shows the percentage of your messages that have been submitted okay. Of course, you can see that all messages are submitted okay here. When you scroll down, you're able to see other graphs that outline your message usage for the year and compare it to the previous year, so you're able to track and also forecast what your messaging needs are and compare it to what it was last year. This helps you to also budget for the coming year, so that you can ensure that you have all the messages that you need to cater to the campaigns that you need to run on a month-to-month basis. Scrolling down further, we're able to see also messages received, a trend of messages received. The blue line of course shows messages that were received last year compared to this year at the same time. On the right hand side, this outlines a keyword pie chart, which lets you know what your keyword usage is like. Of course, SMS Connect allows individuals to use marketing keywords and add them to their campaigns to increase conversion. Well, let's start going through the various features of the application itself. A campaign manager is where you come to send messages to a large list of persons, also manage those contacts and groups. Of course, you're able to have as many contacts as possible and as many groups as possible. The system automatically removes duplicated contacts, so you don't end up with a lot of duplication or any duplication at all in your system. This prevents you from wasting messages, sending two messages to the same person for the same campaign. Contact groups, of course, you can have parent groups and subgroups, and of course contacts can be in as many groups as possible. Under the campaign area, you're able to click on campaigns and come to create new campaigns. Creating a campaign is pretty easy. Once you click new campaign, you're able to come to the campaign area and name the campaign. Let's call this a demo campaign. Right? You're able to add a description to the campaign. This is of course optional, but let's just add one for argument's sake. And just an example. Of course, you leave your marketing campaign, leave the campaign type as a marketing campaign, and you are also able to set up multiple SMS templates. With these SMS templates are for messages that you reuse on a regular basis, and you want to save the time from having to type out these messages every single time. So you can come here and select from the drop down and select a messaging template. Of course, this is just a test template, so once we click on it, automatically it populates the area for sending messages. Of course, right away as well, you're able to see if you look down to the bottom here to the right, you're able to see the number of characters that are being counted as you type. So right away, you're able to know where you are in the number of messages that you're sending per person. The industry standard for one message is 160 characters per message, and this application is no different. Scrolling down to the bottom, you're able to set multiple sender addresses. So right now we have Mobile Edge set as the default sender address, and we also have a virtual SIM card number which is assigned to the account. This is the number that we actually use to receive messages So when we send messages, we can choose which sender address we want to send it to. But once we're asking persons to text back to us, this is the number that we advertise to individuals for them to text us. Alright. So once we click next to the campaign options, you're able to schedule the campaign to send it now or to send it at a later date. And you can also set the campaign to recur, whether it be weekly, monthly, daily, hourly, however you want to set it. These are notifications that come to my cell phone and also my email address, just to let me know that the campaign has gone out. And of course, similarly, once you set up an account, you'll have the same provisions being made for you. When we go next to our target market, we're able to select persons from our groups, or we can simply scroll down to the bottom here and click in this area to actually upload an Excel file. So if you don't have the contacts already in the system, then you can of course upload a CSV file from your computer to send out your message. Most persons tend to have their databases stored in a customer CRM and oftentimes export that information. So that information can be simultaneously brought in the SMS Connect to send your messages. But for argument's sake, we select the staff group and click process. Right away it shows you that the list is being added to that campaign. It gives you a preview of what it looks like. You click it looks good, let's do it. And this is the final screen that actually gives you an overview of everything that is about to happen with regards to your campaign. And simply creating campaign allows you to be able to send out those messages. Also, the next feature to look at is the autoresponders. Now, with autoresponders allow you to set up keywords, and keywords can be added to any marketing campaign for persons to express interest in a product or a service, opt into a product or a service, or to provide information on demand. For instance, most persons who find us through our keywords, and we put the keyword demo on all of our marketing collateral for persons to arrange a demo to see this application. And once the person texts in that keyword demo, we automatically have a message going back to the person saying, thanks for your interest in seeing our application. One of our representatives will follow up with you shortly to confirm a meeting time. Something like that. And of course, you can twist it and customize it to say anything that you want. Messaging templates, this is where you actually come to set up the different messaging templates that you want to have. Also, the system is able to do polling, so you're able to get customer feedback from any customer just by sending them a poll. And polls are set up to allow customers to set multiple options, multiple polling options for their clients to indicate different things. So for instance, how this has been used a lot in the past is customer service. Customer service tends to use this whenever persons interact with their business, interact with a representative, or you just want to get general feedback. What do you think of our service? Was it good? Is it excellent? Is it bad? Is it fair? You can put those options, and once you create that poll, all inbound messages, all inbound votes to that poll is automatically tallied and displayed in a pie chart. Right? Of course, there's an opt-out list to allow individuals to opt out. This is the feature which is required for any mass communication platform. So if persons no longer want to receive messages, of course, you can add them to your opt-out list. Coming on to our message center. Messaging center allows you to actually view all inbound messages to your inbox and also easily click reply. Now, this is the SMS inbox that I'm in right now. Of course, it shows everything that is happening in the account, when the message was sent, when it was received, who is the person who sent the message. The icon here showing the newspaper actually means that the message has been read. If I click on it now, it will refresh and change it to being unread, and of course you will see the SMS inbox number move from 7 to 8. If I want to mark it as read, I simply come here and click the envelope, and it will change that particular message to being read. If I want to respond to this message, all I have to do is click this return arrow and automatically type my message right here and click OK to send. This information can also be exported to CSV, PDF or Excel. So you can easily set up your reports And to set up reports, you can come down to the bottom and filter any information you want. You can search your database of communications via information from the text message, the sender, the source address, and also the dates that you want to run the reports for. This is also similar for our sent message area, which actually shows the information that has been sent out by the system. And similarly, you're able to track all the activity on the application. Now on the top, which shows another chart, it actually shows the activity for the day. So this is actually a 24-hour clock being represented here, and of course it shows your usage today versus yesterday as well. Right? Send a message section allows individuals who want to just send one-off messages or send messages to individuals. You can come here and type in the number that you want to send that particular message to. You can select from a template, type your message, schedule your message, and click send, and it will automatically go to that individual. Also, if you want to take a step further in individual messaging, you can come to a campaign manager and select contacts. Once you select contacts, you can come here and search for a particular contact. Once you click on the eye here, which actually means view details, it will bring you to that contact page, and you can then scroll down to the bottom of that page and send a message to this particular contact. So this system easily allows you to do mass messaging and also individual messaging. Right? Scrolling down to the settings area. When you come to the settings area, this is where you're able to set up birthday wishes. So automatically, what you can do is have these messages going out on an automated basis. Set up a birthday wish. All you have to do is click new birthday wish, type the actual birthday message that you want to send out, select the group of contacts who you want to receive this type of message, and of course you can have multiple birthday messages, and you choose the date and time, the time of day that you want the message to go out in the mornings, and automatically every single day at the beginning of the day, once it reaches that time, say it's 8 o'clock, it will search a database for all the contacts who have birthdays today and send out this message. You can take this a step further and actually include a birthday offer, which increases your ability to sell. Because if it is that you have customers who are having birthdays every day, you can send them an offer as a gift, as a birthday gift, and they can redeem this offer, and of course you can use it as a means of improving your sales. So this is just a quick run through of the application itself. Of course, if you want to have a demo meeting to actually discuss strategies of how you can actually improve how you communicate with customers, how you can implement a solution like this in your business to increase your customer experience or your sales, or you just want to use this application to save money, because that's one of the first things that a lot of our customers are happy about, the savings that they realize when they use SMS communication to replace a lot of the calling that they have to do. So if you actually want to see a more in-depth demo of this application, request a free trial today. Thanks for watching.